Hello dear friends and welcome once again to another video. Today we are going to draw Hagar the Horrible. So it's a very simple picture, so it won't take much of a time to draw that. Okay, so I just draw a vertical line first. Start with drawing vertical line. Okay, you can draw a rough vertical line on the scale. This is almost a straight line. Okay. Right, now what we are going to do is we are going to draw image like this. Looks somewhat like the iron box, the surface of the iron box, the back side of the iron box, right? Somewhat like that. Okay, I think it should be like this, right? And then draw this. Okay, right, now draw one line here too. Right. So now I'm going to use a bold marker pen to draw the actual image. This is just lines that are going to guide us. Okay, so we will start with his helmet. So let's start. Okay, and then it's got two horns on either side. Okay, right. And then it's the nose that we got to draw, leaving a small space in between. We're going to draw the nose, right? Okay, and then we got to connect the helmet with the nose and give two tiny little eyes, right? Okay, next comes his beard, that is very thick. Okay, so beard is done. Now the shoulder, and we have a helmet over here on this side. Okay, so you can use a pencil to just sort of draw an elliptical shape to show his shield, right? Okay, and his shield has worn out, so the edges are not regular, they are a little bit worn out on the edges, because he always goes to war and gets beaten at times, so his shield is worn out. So, and we've got rivets over here. Right. So that is all also done. Now let's move on to this side, right? And then his belly. Right, and let's complete his dress. Right, and on this side, and there are vertical lines on his dress, so that was not very tough. Right, okay, so that is done too, and then we've got his legs. Costume is primitive. As you can see that he is wearing something like an animal hide, and in those days the shoe used to be a big leather wrapping filled up with hay inside, so it used to look very big. So I think this is that particular shoe. So right, and we have to draw the hand on this side. Right, so we've come to a coloring stage, but before that let's erase all the pencil lines. Make sure that the ink has dried up. I keep reminding that every time, because if the ink is wet you are going to tear the paper, so make sure that the ink has dried properly before erasing the lines you drew with your pencil. Okay, and I just missed up one thing more. You have to draw his lips also, which can be seen from beneath the beard. Okay, so now let's start coloring it. I'm using a silver plastic crayon to color his helmet, that is grey in color, and just shade his horns the same, and his shield, that's grey too. You can use a black plastic crayon, but apply it lightly. You can use pencil as well. Okay, so that is done. Now his beard is red, so I'm going to use red here. Okay, and yellow ochre for his dress. So that is done. We have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thanks for watching. I'll come with another video tomorrow. Until then, bye, take care, thank you.